Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use floating keyboard on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, floating keyboard often come with customization options, allowing you to adjust the size and position of the keyboard according to your preferences. Not only that, knowing how to use floating keyboard also ensures consistency across different devices and platforms, as floating keyboards are becoming increasingly common on various operating systems. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first I'm gonna show you my keyboard display. Well, after that, here please click the settings and then scroll down until you find mode option. So tap on it. Okay, and here you will find two sections and you can choose floating keyboard like this. And we can check that the floating keyboard is successfully active. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use floating keyboard on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.